In this video, I'll show you how to change arrow design in Laptop. First, open your preferred web browser and visit a website that provides custom mouse cursors. Browse through the available cursor packs and choose the one you want to use. Once you've found a cursor pack you like, click the Download button and save the zip file to your computer. After the download is complete, locate the zip file and extract it to a folder. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find the cursor files that will be used for customization. Now, open the Start menu and click on Settings. In the Settings search box, type Mouse Settings and open the result. Scroll down and select Additional Mouse Settings. When the Mouse Properties window opens, click on the Pointers tab. Under the Customize section, select Normal Select and click Browse. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the cursor files, select the cursor you want to use, and click Open. Once you're finished, click Apply and then OK. Your new mouse cursor style will now be active. That's it. This is how you can easily customize and change your mouse cursor on Laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.